Having a higher score is really important in our economic world. And the US is a very credit hungry population. We use a lot of credit for payment of goods and services, and it has impactful impacts on your ability to save money. So having a higher score can result in, for example, having less down payments to make, a lower down payment or a lower deposit. It can be the elimination of fees, for example, on a credit obligation. It can result in having higher lines assigned to you when you're applying for credit. And it also has effects on the interest rate. So there's a lot of tangible areas where having that higher FICO score actually saves you money. And here we have a loan calculator where we will look at the potential benefits of a higher FICO score for a automobile loan. Let's say you're going out to get a $20,000 automobile and you're looking for a 4-year term on that loan. And let's say that your current score is around 650. So 650 is not a horrible score, but it's not a great score. And let's say that you, so at the 650 range, you can see that the interest rate that you're paying would be around 10.5%, and your monthly payment would be around $512. And over the life of the loan, you're paying about $4,500 in interest fees. So then let's say that you were able to get your score from 650 up to 690, so that would be at the second tier. Now you can see that with that higher FICO score, the lender is providing a lower interest rate, so it gets cut in half basically because you're lower risk. And therefore you see that your monthly payment drops by about 50 bucks and your savings over the life of that loan, or your interest paid over the life of the loan, is lower, and it saves you about $2,300 in interest payments compared to if your score was 650. So this is a real life example of how having a higher FICO score by about 40 or 50 points could actually result in significant savings that you could use that money elsewhere versus paying it to the bank.